guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic episode. Once again, we're back with another epic collection of moto videos. And in this video, we will show you some of the crazy, angry and exciting moto moments. Stick with us till the end because we got some awesome content to show you. Guys, don't forget to like this video because it helps us a lot. So, let's start.
Oh! 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 Hold it out!
This biker said that he was out testing his camera when he encountered this crazy driver who overreacted for losing his pole position. Check it out.
Alright. Such a Alright, mate, no worries. You're a tough guy. Idiot. Tough guy. You're
Πραγματικά ωραία βραδιά. Το πόδι μου ρε μαλάκα! Το πόδι μου! Το πόδι μου ρε μαλάκα! Το πόδι μου! Το πόδι! Ναι, με κομπλεύε. Μου πάτησε το πόδι. Ευχαριστώ. Όχι, αγόρι, μου πάτησε τα αμάξι. Σου πάτησε τα αμάξι? Στο φανάρι μου πάτησε το πόδι.
What the hell?
Driver had green light but had to stop and let emergency vehicles to pass. Unfortunately, this biker didn't react in time. Luckily, he was not injured. When your bike shuts off on the highway full of speeding motorcycles, that's not good. Check out what happened next.
What is going on? How's it going? I'm sorry?
Can I bother you guys for a minute?
Yeah.
That car there, this transmission's gone. I just want to push that car into the red over there.
Oh,
Okay,
sure.
yeah.
I charge a 30-second fee.
30 seconds?
Yeah, every 30 seconds is $5.
I'll give you a head start 30 seconds on that.
I don't think you'll catch me on that.
She can steer, but she's got no time.
All right. Oh yeah, we're moving. Oh, this is the one I needed right here. Work off that food.
How's it going, man? Thank you.
Don't use the brake. Don't brake.
That thing should just guide right back in there.
All right, turn it down. Turn it a little bit. Get away.
Should be good.
That's good. Thank you, John.
No
Yeah,
problem.
yes, sir. Thank you.
All
Have a
right,
good
hey,
day.
if I ever get in trouble, I'm calling you. I'm gonna remember this night. Take care. Come on, you wanna do it? Hey. Hang on. Hang on. Hey, I do video vlogging, moto vlogging. I record. Is it okay if I record them and put it on YouTube? Okay. Go ahead.
बुरा लगा कि ऐसे कभी ना कोई बीच में फंसना नहीं चाहिए रास्ते के, क्योंकि यार रास्ते के बीच में अकेले फंसना मुझे पता कैसा होता है। कहीं ना कहीं ये क्या हो गया? भाई क्या मारपीट चल रही है तुम्हें? मेरे को लग रहा है इनके चक्कर में गाड़ियाँ रुकी हैं।
Like in previous clip, this biker rode into a big traffic, but for this one, it's totally different reason. Check it out.
Ready? Cero empatía.
Are you serious? Watch your f***ing eyes, bro.
Aí eu vim daquele jeito assim, ó. Meu irmão, ela deu um pulo muito grande, mano. Não sei o que ela tava comendo. Tu tá doido, né, velho, filho? Quando eu vou voltar lá, que eu não gosto da palhaçada dele não, bicho. Tá ligado? É assim não. Só tá doido, né? Tu tá doido, né, porra? Que nada, mano. Eu via direitinho, você se manca, mano. Nós vamos fazer alguma coisa porque eu tô um senhor, tá? Seu velho doido. Cachaceiro da peste.
Simple mistake caused this biker to crash. His foot slipped off the peg. Luckily, full gear protected him from serious injuries.
I'm stuck.
Target fixation and too much speed in the corner caused these two bikers to crash. Bikers said that after pulling bikes out, it turns out that both bikes were still rideable, and luckily everyone was okay.
You right? You right? I'm good. Are you sure? Yeah. Alright. Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. You good? Alright.
Hey, get the car out of the curve. Get the car out of the curve.
Pull the clutch in and we'll help pull it back.
What's up?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Where's your license plate?
I ordered
Got it.
I ordered the American flag one to go along with the colors,
Okay.
and just
Just haven't gotten it yet.
no, I have not. So
That's
I mean,
You have your license with
yeah,
you? Yeah, that was the only thing, man. You passed me, I was like,
yeah, I knew that's what it was for. So yeah,
wait, I'll just tell him.
I appreciate it.
Hey, give me 1 second. As soon as they call me back,
Alrighty,
I'll have you on your way.
cool.
Simple. Have a good one.
Appreciate it. Take it easy.
Scusa il c***o. Porca troia. Oddio, scusami, ma tu è a posto? Sicuro? Scusami,
Hay que mirar. Una moto no frena como un coche. Son dos ruedas. Hay que tener eso en cuenta.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.